Have you ever felt like the odds of making a great first impression on women are stacked against you? We've all been there. You see a beautiful woman and your mind goes blank. You fumble for the right words and your heart races. You can't help but feel like the odds of making a good first impression are against you. The truth is, statistics show that only 7% of communication is based on the words we use, while 93% of communication comes from body language and tone. That means that while the first impression can be intimidating, they can also be easily improved. But how? Well, the secret to making a good first impression on women lies in your ability to be confident and in control of the conversation. By the end of this video, you will see 11 tricks to make a great first impression on women. Number 11. Have a good sense of humor. Having a good sense of humor is a great way to make a good first impression on women. Women appreciate men who can make them laugh and have fun. When you make a joke or tell a funny story, it shows that you are confident and comfortable in social situations. It also shows that you are open to different perspectives that can have an enjoyable conversation. A good sense of humor can help break the ice and make the other person feel more at ease. It also shows that you're easygoing and don't take yourself too seriously. For example, if you meet a woman at a party, you can make a joke about the situation that both of you are in. This will show her that you are confident and able to make light of the situation. Women will appreciate your effort to make them laugh and feel comfortable. Number 10. Have good manners and be on time. Having good manners and being on time will help you establish a positive impression and create a good rapport. Good manners such as opening doors, introducing yourself, and using please and thank you will demonstrate respect. Being on time shows that you are trustworthy and reliable. Arriving early or even a few minutes before the scheduled time will make a good impression. Number 9. Choose suitable clothing. Making a good first impression on women starts with your clothing. Choose fitted and appropriate attire that complements your body type and shows off your personality style. Consider your environment when selecting the right look. If you're going out to a nice restaurant, wear a nice dress shirt, slacks, and a sports coat. If you're going to a bar or club, opt for a more casual look like dark jeans and a nice blazer. Avoid baggy clothes, distressed or ripped jeans, or anything that's overly revealing. Look for classic pieces that won't go out of style and can be worn in different settings. Taking the time to dress in fitted and suitable clothing will help you make a good first impression on women. Number 8. Look good and have good breath. Another simple trick to making a good first impression is to make sure your hygiene is on point. Start by brushing your hair. Make sure it's neat and tidy. This will give a sense of neatness and orderliness. Additionally, make sure you brush your teeth and have good breath. A nice smile is a great way to instantly make a good impression. Furthermore, good breath will set a positive tone for the conversation. Paying attention to your hygiene can go a long way to making a good first impression on women. Additionally, make sure to floss and get rid of any food debris stuck in between your teeth. Taking these steps will help you look and feel confident and will help leave a great first impression. Number 7. A firm handshake and a welcoming demeanor. A firm handshake and a welcoming demeanor are two important steps in creating a positive first impression. A handshake should be firm and confident while being gentle enough not to be intimidating. Eye contact should be maintained during the handshake to demonstrate trustworthiness and confidence. A welcoming demeanor is equally important. It's important to be friendly and approachable while also being respectful. Taking care to make a good first impression is essential for any successful relationship. Utilizing a firm handshake and a welcoming demeanor are two of the best ways to make a good first impression on women. Number 6. Listen more than you speak. Listening is a key skill when it comes to making a good first impression on women. It's important to listen to what she has to say and be genuinely interested in her thoughts and feelings. Doing this will show her that you care about her and that you're interested in getting to know her. If you talk too much, it will come off as self-centered and as if you're only interested in talking about yourself. By listening more than you talk, you will demonstrate that you are engaged in the conversation and that you are truly interested in getting to know her. Additionally, listening will help you understand her better from a deeper connection. Number 5. Use open body language. The key to making a good first impression on women is to be confident and open with your body language. Maintain good posture and make eye contact. These are all signals that show respect, friendliness, and self-assurance. If you want to show a woman you are confident and secure, then you need to make sure your body language is open. This means you should avoid crossing your arms or legs and instead keep your arms relaxed at your sides. Also, make sure you're standing up straight and have good posture. Eye contact is also essential when making a good first impression. Looking away or avoiding eye contact can make you come off as uninterested or insecure. Instead, look the woman in the eyes and maintain eye contact for a few seconds. Number 4. Smell nice. Smelling nice is one of the easiest and most effective ways to make a good first impression on women. A pleasant scent can make you seem more attractive and approachable, while an unpleasant odor can be off-putting and make a bad impression. When you smell good, you make an immediate positive impression on those around you. Women especially appreciate a man who takes the time to make sure he smells nice. It shows you're putting effort into your appearance and that you are making an effort to be attractive. One way to make sure you smell nice is to invest in a good cologne. Choose a scent that is fresh, subtle, and not overpowering. Make sure to apply it in moderation, as too much can be off-putting. Additionally, make sure to shower regularly and use body wash or soap with a pleasant scent. This will ensure that you smell nice and fresh. Number 3. Speak in a slow pace, firm, and clear voice. Another simple trick to making a good first impression is to speak at a slower pace with a firm and clear voice. This will ensure that your words are heard and understood. It will also make you appear more confident and attractive. For example, instead of saying, "Hi, nice to meet you," you might say, "Hello, it's a pleasure to make your acquaintance." This will help you come across as more confident and capable without being overly aggressive. When speaking, make sure that you take the time to enunciate each word. This will show you that you are sure of yourself and will give the impression that you are in control of the conversation. Additionally, speaking with a firm voice will make you sound more authoritative and give the impression that you know what you're talking about. Number 2. Make her feel special. Show her that you appreciate her unique qualities and that she stands out from the crowd. Compliment her on her outfit or her hairstyle, or tell her that you find her interesting and unique. Let her know that you are genuinely interested in getting to know her better. Make sure to be respectful and courteous. Avoid making jokes that could be misconstrued as offensive or inappropriate. Respect her opinions and boundaries and make sure to show her that you are someone who can be trusted. Be sure to also be an attentive listener. Ask her questions about her hobbies, interests, and ambitions, and really listen to what she has to say. Number 1. Don't brag. When it comes to making a good first impression on women, one of the most important things to remember is not to brag. Bragging about yourself is a major turnoff for most people, and women are no exception. It conveys a lack of humility and self-confidence that can be off-putting. Instead, focus on being confident and humble. Talk about yourself in a positive manner without going overboard. For example, let's say you're out on a date and you're talking about your career. Instead of bragging about your accomplishments, focus on the things that you've learned and the people you've met along the way. Talk about how you strive to learn something new every day and how you use your skills to help others. This will show her that you're humble, self-aware, and compassionate, all qualities that are attractive in a potential partner. The purpose of this video was to provide you with simple tricks to make a good first impression on women. From having a positive attitude to making sure to dress presentably, these tricks can help any man make a good first impression. Ultimately, the most important thing is to be yourself and be confident. Showing that you have a unique personality and you can hold an interesting conversation can make all the difference. With these tricks, you should now feel more confident and prepared when making a first impression. Now, leave an honest answer in the comment section below. What do you usually see first in a person? We would love to hear from you. Now, you need to watch the recommended video you see on the screen right now. It will show you why you never treat women like a queen. Make sure you watch it now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.